In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the slow loading issue in Microsoft Outlook on a Windows computer. If Outlook takes a long time to open or feels sluggish, these steps will help you streamline it. We'll start by opening Outlook in safe mode, which loads only the essentials and temporarily bypasses anything that might be interfering. Open the search menu on your Windows computer and type Run, then click the Run app. In the Run box, type Outlook, /safe, and press Enter. Outlook will open in safe mode, and you'll see that noted at the top of the window. This is a great way to troubleshoot without making any permanent changes just yet. Once Outlook is open, click File in the top left corner, then choose Options. In the Options window, select Advanced. On the right side, scroll down to the RSS feeds section. Uncheck the two options related to RSS feeds. These settings can cause Outlook to sync content you may not need, which can slow down startup and general performance. Turning them off helps Outlook focus on the essentials. Next, still in Options, look for Auto Archive and click Auto Archive Settings. Make sure the option Run Auto Archive Every is checked. Choose a schedule that works for you, such as every 10 or 11 days, and click OK. Auto Archive helps keep your mailbox lean by moving or cleaning up older items, which reduces the size of your data files and can significantly improve speed over time. Now, select Add-ins on the left. At the bottom of the window, find the Manage dropdown. Choose COM Add-ins and click Go. Uncheck all the plugins listed and click OK. Add-ins can be very useful, but when one misbehaves, it can delay Outlook's startup. Disabling them temporarily is a quick way to eliminate unnecessary load. If Outlook speeds up after this, you'll know an add-in was part of the problem. To apply everything, close Outlook completely and then restart it normally. With safe mode no longer active, Outlook will start with the changes you made. In most cases, you'll notice a faster launch and smoother performance right away. That's it. Opening in safe mode, turning off RSS sync, enabling auto archive, and disabling COM add-ins are simple tweaks that often resolve slow loading in Outlook. If this helped, let me know in the comments, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.